There are many reasons for a phone is stuck on the Apple logo, but fortunately, even if you don't know the reason, you can solve this problem easily, because we have a variety of solutions for you to try. Part 1. Why is my iPhone stuck on the Apple logo? iOS upgrade, iPhone jailbreak, restore from iTunes or iCloud. The iOS version is too old. Data transfer, internal hardware damage of the phone. Part 2. 5 quick solutions to fix iPhone stuck on Apple screen. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. Some users have found when Apple iPhone stuck on Apple logo, forcibly restarting the device can actually restore the device to normal use. This method is effective when your iPhone has no other problems. Fix 2. Restore iPhone via recovery mode. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer via USB. Open the latest version of iTunes on the computer. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Step 3. After that, you will a prompt on iTunes screen saying, there is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Click Restore and the software will reload it, and the iPhone stuck on logo issue would be fixed. Fix 3. Restore iPhone via DFU mode. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer via USB. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. Step 3. Click OK. Restore iPhone to solve the iPhone say 78xX's 1112 stuck on Apple logo issue. Fix 5. Contact Apple Care support team for help. If you are still powerless, you can also contact Apple support, or take it to the Genius Bar for inspection and diagnosis, or go to the local Apple store to repair your device. If your device is still under warranty, you can directly replace it.